Here we have a 2017, it's a Range Rover with the 5.0 supercharger. Customer wants to get a little sound to it, so we're gonna do some rear muffler deletes. These big suitcase mufflers in the back, we're gonna take them off and gonna leave it looking stock there. And take the mid resonator muffler off. It has two of them there. Leave the front one there and put an X pipe where the mid one is. Just give it a good rumble to it. And we'll get back to you and let you see what that looks like. Okay, so as you see now, we have the rear mufflers deleted and the X pipe installed there where the secondary muffler was. It's all factory up top. Like I said, this is the 5.0 supercharger motor. It's going to give it a good rumble. Should be what the customer is looking for. Fire up! That definitely woke it up, for sure. Comes off that cold start, it's not quite so aggressive. Alright, it's ready to rumble.